ING bank account in Luxembourg. You can open this bank account in your home. Otherwise, you directly go in the bank people are providing you one computer system. You can open there the Luxembourg application and fill out the form and take a printout and submit there. So entire process I will provide you. Let's start as a demonstration.
To begin, make sure you have these documents ready. A valid ID such as a driver's license, passport, or unified multi-purpose ID.
Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open here Google, new tab, and just type here ING bank in Luxembourg. The first link is display here. I already put this link in same video description. Standardization is available of English, French and Dutch language. So which language you comfortable, you can choose. And here first option come here, become a customer. Open your online account or open your account in a branch. You can go the branch and they are providing you information via making appointment. But we start as a opening account now here in a free. So I just simply click here, open orange account. Yeah, open orange account, click here. So now you as a opening account, before start you must be read here holder, personal detail, additional information, summary and completion. So here I just simply how many holder, open separate, married means your wife or you can select, or couple also, you private or personal, professional. So this is my private. Residence Luxembourg. Are you affiliated United States of America of any way? Yes or no. My point of view is no. Next, first options are done. Now here personal detail, you need to fill out here your personal detail. So like my name, last name, and just I put it here date of birth, here birthplace, country, nationality, then dual nationality you have, marital status, single or married, you can see. And here local address, it's mandatory, so you fill out here local address. So I just type here 9A116, postal code, and town is Luxembourg. You can mention here, it's mandatory to put it mobile number. It's mandatory to add here your email address, researchrocks9@gmail.com. Then authorize, yes. You can read very carefully and then select. So here occupation, what is your professional status, employee, civil servant, independent, labor, professional or no occupy. I am in a civil servant. Here worker, and then area of business is IT activity or professional. You can select which area you are going on. So I just simply type here professional scientification. I am an employer of European Commission since 1st 2022. I am assigning Luxembourg of extended, no. Is country of taxable residence, no. Country of tax proposed, no. I have no TIN available for the country. Then I have connection with United States, no. I already say politically exposed linked person, no. I already latex means authorization, just simply no. And then next, now your card selection. So as a my point of view, I select both. I would like to set up automatically saving account, so my suggestion is no. And here several branch are available, which branch you want select. So you select this Place de la Gare, this branch exactly front of site of Luxembourg Central train station, and you can very easily reach on this location if you are living in Luxembourg proper city. So as a my experience, I am selecting this branch because of you need to send or directly go to the physical and then submit the document. As a professional income, yeah, main income comes in Germany. Income found, suppose for example as a type here 5,400 monthly in Luxembourg. Outgoing some fund, so yes, I select here 2,000 euro. And then India, where exactly I am sending, I clarification already. And here you need to pay here 100 euro because of this is a process going to move forward, and those 100 euro automatically comes in your account after finish your account opening. So directly you can receive those 100 euro in your bank account. IBN number and bank name, so I am adding here IBNI bank number I am adding, and bank name, and then I select here who recommend you. I know about ING brand awareness, and then continue. And now it summarize your all forms are perfect or not, then we can go next, and here complete the form. Now need to download this form, sign and follow the instructions. Suppose is my case point of view, I will show you. This is my application. I apply here and I fill out this particular form, and just back page you need to write your signature and then print out this copy and submit there. As a submission point of view, you need to your residence permit or temporary visa, then declaration of commune, then front page of your passport, and then simply submit there this particular application, and then within 8 days you receive entire kit in your residence address. It's very simple process. If you have any question, you can comment me, I will help you. Till then, Jai Hind.